Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. We are people who live in a society. We have to live with so many people, so many categories of men and women. In this society, we have the thousands of categories people. For example, there are farmers, teachers, educated person and uneducated person also. So many person are living. So when we live together, we have to be kindful to each other because it's a sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Islam teaches us to be kind for someone, to be kind each other, to help among the people. So we should be kindful, we should be empathy, we should show our empathy with all of us. That's all for the time being. May Allah bless us, may Allah grant us for the good deeds. Assalamu alaikum.